Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at the tech that wants to make that physical wallet of yours totally obsolete. We're talking Apple Pay. We're going to break down exactly how it works, what makes it so incredibly secure, and how you can get the whole thing set up in just a couple of minutes. So let's get right into it. So, first things first, why does something like Apple Pay even need to exist? Well, the answer is probably sitting in your pocket or your purse right now. That leather rectangle we all carry around and all the little frustrations that come with it. I mean, think about it. You've been there, right? You're at the checkout, fumbling through your wallet, trying to find the right card. Or you're buying something online and you're meticulously typing out that 16-digit number, the expiration date, the security code, for what feels like the millionth time. And in the back of your mind, there's always that little nagging worry. What if my card gets skimmed at the gas station? What if my number gets stolen in a data breach? These are exactly the kind of headaches that Apple Pay was designed to just get rid of. And that's where the digital wallet steps in. Apple Pay is here to solve all those problems. But it's not just about making things easier. Nope, it's a complete rethinking of how payments should work, built from the ground up with security at its absolute core. Okay, so on the surface, Apple Pay is pretty simple. It's a digital wallet that holds your credit and debit cards right there on your iPhone or your Apple Watch. But the real magic, the really cool part, isn't just that it holds your cards, it's how it protects them. Your actual card details are never shared with the places you shop, and that's all thanks to some pretty brilliant pieces of technology working together. The first piece of this security puzzle is something called tokenization. Now, when you pay for something, your iPhone doesn't send your actual credit card number to the store. Nope. Instead, it generates a totally unique one-time use code, a token, just for that single transaction. This means the merchant never even sees your real card number, which makes a data breach on their end pretty much useless to a hacker trying to get your info. The second layer of protection, that's biometrics. Every single time you make a purchase, you have to authorize it with either your Face ID or your Touch ID. Now, this isn't like a signature that someone could forge or a PIN that someone could peek over your shoulder to see. This is confirming that it is, in fact, you and only you making that purchase. And the final piece of the security trifecta is all about the hardware. It's called the secure element. Think of this as a tiny digital vault, a dedicated chip that's built right into your iPhone. It's completely walled off from the main operating system. Your encrypted payment info is stored in here, making it incredibly difficult for any malware or hacker to ever get their hands on it. So with all that high-tech security, it must be a real pain to set up, right? Actually, it's the complete opposite. The whole process is shockingly simple and takes just a couple of minutes. To get going, you just pop open the Wallet app, it's already on your iPhone, and tap that little plus sign. From there, your phone's camera can literally just scan your physical card for you. After a super quick verification text or call from your bank, you are all set. You can even pick a default card to make checking out even faster. It's seriously that easy. All right, so your card is now in your digital wallet. Now for the fun part, actually using it out in the wild. This is where you really feel how much of a game changer this is. When you're in a store, it's as simple as this. You just double-click the side button on your iPhone or your Apple Watch. Your phone uses Face ID to see it's you, and you just hold it near the contactless reader. You'll see a check mark, feel a little buzz, and that's it. Payment complete. Just imagine grabbing a coffee, tapping your watch, and walking right out. No digging for your wallet, no fumbling with cards. It's seamless. And online? Oh man, this is where it really shines. Whether you're paying for an Uber in the app or buying something in your web browser, you'll see that Apple Pay button. You just tap it, give your phone a quick glance for Face ID, and you're done. No more tediously filling out forms with your name, address, and that 16-digit card number. It's just gone. And get this, it's not just for buying stuff from businesses. You can send money directly to your friends and family, right from the Messages app. So if you need to split the dinner bill, you can zap your share over instantly without ever having to open another app like Venmo. The money just goes right into their Apple Cash card in their wallet. Okay, so you might be wondering, how does Apple Pay really stack up against the competition? It's definitely part of a growing field of digital wallets, but there are some really key differences. When we put it side by side with the other big players, a few things really jump out. See, while Google Pay also uses that tokenization we talked about, it's Apple's combination of that plus the hardware-based secure element that really gives it an edge in security. Now, the big trade-off, of course, is that it only works on Apple devices, whereas Google Pay is available for the massive world of Android phones. So to kind of sum it up, the pros are undeniable. It is ultra secure, it's incredibly fast and frictionless, and it's private. On the flip side, yeah, it does lock you into the Apple ecosystem, and you still need stores to have those modern tap-to-pay terminals for it to work. But when you step back and look at the whole picture, Apple Pay becomes way more than just a way to buy stuff. It's really about weaving payments into your life in a much smarter, more integrated way. And this is where it gets really, really powerful. You can set up a transit card to tap onto the subway without even unlocking your phone. You still earn all your normal credit card points and cash back. Nothing changes there. You can even give your kids spending money through family sharing, or use Apple Pay later to split up a big purchase into smaller, interest-free payments. It's stuff like this that truly redefines what a wallet can even do. So, let's recap. The technology is secure, it's convenient, and it's already on the device you carry with you every single day. The setup takes less time than making a cup of coffee. So really, the only question left is, once you've set it up, your first tap to pay is just waiting. What's it going to be?